Hi guys, it's Georgia, and today we're opening a remote control the Stranger Things Demogorgon. Okay. Look, this is the back. It lights up. You could even control it. I'm pretty sure it walks with the controller. Okay, let me take this out. I like the background that they did on the box. It looks really good. Okay, scoot that. Okay, now let me cut these off. Boom. Okay. Is there other ones there? Okay, no. Okay, let's cut that off. Okay, now the remote. The remote, let me see if there's any ties. Okay. There's a screw behind it. We put it in batteries and it looks really good. This is a turn on switch. Let me turn it on. It glows up red and look, it could do this. It could walk like the actual Demogorgon. It's really cool. Let's go back. Run fast before the Demogorgon gets you. Okay, but that's pretty much it. Bye guys, subscribe.